So I do want to point out milestones. This view here, this milestones, this is going to show me when I've set the milestones for each phase, and also how many tickets are currently assigned to that phase. So right now, it's a pretty small project. We only got one ticket in each of these phases. Let me add another one for demonstration purposes. Okay, so now you see that client review has 2 issues. If there were any that were assigned to me, it would show up here, or any unassigned, it would show up there. And then I can click on that bar to see. So this is about as close as Sifter gets to statuses for each milestone. It's just a quick little visual indicator for how many of those are open versus closed. Close that one. Yeah, so you see now in client review, we have 1 closed and 1 open. So there's some nice little visual indicators of progress for each milestone there.